Desire, the gateway to greatness. We have reached the final step in understanding the first and most powerful principle in Napoleon Hill's philosophy, desire. In part 1, we learned that desire is the starting point of all achievement. In part 2, we saw how to strengthen desire and protect it from its enemies. Now, in part 3, we will see how to make desire permanent, unstoppable, and self-sustaining, the kind of desire that not only achieves goals but transforms the person who carries it. Why most people fail with desire. Look around you. Millions of people start businesses, set goals, or make resolutions every year. Yet most fail. Why? Because their desire is like a spark that flares for a moment and dies in the wind. It is not a steady flame. They confuse excitement with commitment. They start with passion but abandon the dreams at the first sign of discomfort. True desire is different. It does not die when it is challenged. In fact, it becomes stronger under pressure. Napoleon Hill said, "A burning desire to be and to do is the starting point from which the dreamer must take off." The key is not to let desire be temporary. It must be planted deep, like roots of a mighty tree. How to make desire permanent. 1. Tie it to a bigger purpose. Small goals create small desires. Big goals tied to a bigger purpose create burning obsession. If your desire is only to buy a new car, it may fade. But if your desire is to change your family's future, to inspire millions, or to leave a legacy, it becomes unshakable. 2. Link it to emotion. Desire must not be cold and logical. It must be emotional. Why do you want success? For freedom, for respect, for love, for security, for contribution. When desire is connected to deep emotion, it gains fuel. 3. Turn desire into identity. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." Say, "I am a creator of wealth." Don't say, "I want to be healthy." Say, "I am a healthy and strong person." Desire becomes permanent when it shifts from something you want to something you are. 4. Burn the bridges. People who achieve greatness rarely keep a backup plan. They burn their bridges so that retreat is impossible. When Hernán Cortés landed in Mexico with his soldiers, he burned his ships. There was no turning back, only victory or death. Desire becomes unstoppable when retreat is no longer an option. 5. Daily conditioning. Write, speak, and visualize your goal every day. Repetition plants desire deep in the subconscious. Over time, it becomes part of your thinking, your habits, and your reflexes. The connection between desire and persistence. Persistence is the twin brother of desire. Desire is the dream. Persistence is the action. Desire without persistence is wasted energy. Persistence without desire is impossible. Think of a marathon runner. At mile 25, exhausted, body screaming in pain, the only thing keeping him going is desire. Without it, he would quit. Think of inventors, entrepreneurs, or artists who face rejection after rejection. Without desire, they would stop at failure number 1. But with desire, they push through hundreds of failures until success finally appears. Hill makes it clear, persistence is the true test of desire. If you are willing to persist, your desire is real. If you quit, your desire was never strong enough. Desire and the subconscious mind. Here lies one of Napoleon Hill's greatest insights. Desire must be transferred into the subconscious mind in order to become reality. Why? Because the subconscious is the powerhouse that connects you to infinite intelligence. It is where ideas are born, where solutions appear, where opportunities are recognized. How do we transfer desire into the subconscious? Through repetition of thought mixed with emotion. This is why Hill tells us to write our desire clearly, read it aloud morning and night, visualize it with emotion, act as if it is already ours. Over time, the subconscious accepts the desire as truth and begins to create the conditions for its fulfillment. Opportunities appear, ideas come, people are attracted, circumstances align. Some call this luck. But it is not luck. It is the natural law of the mind at work. The Sixth Sense and Desire. At the end of Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill introduces the sixth sense, the faculty of creative imagination that allows us to receive flashes of inspiration, intuition, and wisdom from a higher source. But here is the secret. The sixth sense only works when fueled by strong desire. A weak desire produces no signal. A burning desire creates a strong frequency that connects with infinite intelligence. This is why people with obsession often experience sudden breakthroughs, ideas that come in dreams, solutions that appear in moments of silence, guidance that feels almost divine. Think of great inventors like Nikola Tesla, who claimed his ideas often came fully formed in flashes of inspiration. Or great leaders who trusted their intuition even when logic said otherwise. Their burning desire opened the door to the sixth sense. When desire transforms a person. The greatest miracle of desire is not what it gives you, but what it makes of you. A man with no education, no money, no connections can become a leader, an entrepreneur, a creator, simply because his desire transformed him. Edwin C. Barnes became Edison's partner, not because of talent, but because of desire. Abraham Lincoln rose from poverty and failure to the presidency because of desire. Gandhi, armed with nothing but burning desire, freed an entire nation. This is why Napoleon Hill insists, weak desires bring weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Desire changes not only what you achieve, but who you are. It makes you stronger, braver, more persistent, more creative. It awakens powers you did not know you had. A final call to action. Now the question is, what do you truly desire? Do you want wealth? Write down the exact amount, the date, and the plan. Do you want freedom? Define what it looks like, when you will achieve it, and what you will give in return. Do you want success, health, love, recognition? Fix it in your mind with such intensity that it becomes part of your being. Remember, a wish will fade. A burning desire will transform your world. When you wake up each morning, ask yourself, is my desire burning, or is it fading? If it is fading, feed it. If it is burning, protect it. You must decide now, because life will not wait. The clock is ticking. The opportunity is moving. The world is waiting for those with burning desire. Closing words. As we close this three-part journey into desire, let us carry with us Napoleon Hill's timeless wisdom. Desire is the seed of achievement. Faith is the soil. Persistence is the water. Action is the sunlight. When these combine, success must grow. So plant your desire today. Protect it. Feed it. Act on it. And never, ever let it die. Because in the end, the truth is simple. If you truly desire something, and you desire it with every fiber of your being, nothing in this world can stop you.